In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to get the wet look using MoKnowsHair Curl Collection. That's right, using the products I created. The goal of the wet look is clean, sleek, defined curls, and how this style turns out is determined by how you set it up. So let's start with the foundation. I am going to begin by detoxing my scalp and curls with the Scalp and Curl Clarifier. This cooling, lathering cleanser is designed to remove buildup and environmental pollutants without stripping natural oils. A healthy scalp leads to healthy hair, and keeping your scalp balanced and clean is crucial. I formulated this clarifier with Indian winter cherry and ylang ylang to reduce shedding and hair loss, Abyssinian and apricot as carrier oils for enhanced shine and manageability, lavender to reduce dandruff, and hydrolyzed wheat protein for added strength and repair. Essentially, this cleanser is packed with botanicals and oils vital to the health of your scalp. And it's concentrated. A little goes a long way, so don't go squeezing out the whole bottle. Take it easy. After massaging it all in, I am going to wet my hair in the shower and smooth this lather through my curls to remove buildup. Then I will rinse with warm water and use the Curl Hydrator shampoo to soften and replenish. This sulfate-free, pillowy soft shampoo gently cleanses while beginning the detangling process, melting those tangles away. I formulated this shampoo with carrot seed oil, an amazing antioxidant loaded with essential vitamins A, C, E, and K, sandalwood oil as a soothing astringent, and marshmallow root, a high-protein plant that promotes healthy growth and enhanced natural luster. This shampoo is designed to install moisture in the hair while restoring it all in one concentrated formula. After massaging this through my scalp and ends for at least 60 seconds, I am going to rinse out and apply the MoKnowsHair Curl Restoring Treatment. Now this right here is the holy grail. I formulated this treatment specifically to restore moisture protein balance, aka elasticity. How your curls expand and contract and respond to styling and environment are all tied to elasticity. In order for your curls to be smooth, shiny, less tangled, style easier, and break less, you have to have proper elasticity. I formulated this with quinoa protein, the only protein that has all 9 amino acids that naturally strengthen hair and hydrate the scalp, along with mango butter for its high amount of fatty acid that conditions and improves elasticity, and mangango oil to protect hair and prevent moisture loss through the cuticle. I also included a host of moisturizing alcohols that repair the lipid barrier and act as emollients, softening while repairing. This treatment is thick and creamy, and it melts into the hair. Massage it into your sections first, then go back and detangle. That allows the treatment time to settle in and release those tangles. I made this to be a salon quality treatment. Not a soupy, frothy mess, but smooth, buttery, concentrated, and effective. I did measure my hair back in August of 2018 just so I could keep track using this treatment. It was 13 inches at that time. Back in March of 2019, I measured again, it was at 16 inches. And as of September 2019, I am now at 19 inches of hair. I have trimmed my ends 3 times over the course of this last year. And that's the name of the game, folks. Length retention. You can't control the rate of your growth, but you do have control of how your hair is maintained. You can process this treatment with a plastic cap, heated cap, hooded dryer, steamer, whatever works best for you. After sitting for about 10 minutes, I am going to rinse this out and prepare for styling with the MoKnowsHair Curl Primer. I formulated this spray leave-in treatment to prepare and get your curls in prime condition for styling. I included argan, apricot, Abyssinian, and grapeseed oils to soften hair, and mangango oil, absorbic acid, rosehip extract, and aloe leaf juice to repair and protect. This leave-in ensures that strands are smooth, strong, and protected in the days after styling. You can also use it as a refresher spray. Now that my hair is properly cleansed, conditioned, and treated, I have the foundation I need for my style. I am using the MoKnowsHair Curl Smoothing Pudding and the Curl Setting Gel as my combo for this style. This pudding is a thick, rich blend of oils, butters, and gel-like elements that give flexible hold, shine, and definition. I formulated this with a host of fatty oils and strengthening botanicals to improve manageability and really smooth the hair while nourishing it. I included mango butter to soften, meadow foam seed oil to lock in moisture, and hydrolyzed wheat protein to strengthen. I am choosing to use my Denman brush to comb and smooth this through. You can use whatever tool is going to evenly distribute this through your hair. Next, I am going to layer on the curl setting gel. This liquid gel is made to fight frizz, define curls, and hold your styles without the crunch, making it perfect for wash and goes, twist, or smoothing hair into updos. This gel has a blend of apricot, argan, and Abyssinian oils to enhance natural luster, green tea extract to prevent dryness, mongongo oil to protect from sun damage, and hydrolyzed wheat protein to strengthen and repair. The collection is concentrated. That means a little goes a long way. Do not slather this on and watch it ooze all over you. I repeat, do not overuse it. Start with a little and add where needed. The key to this style is getting your hair situated exactly where you want it, because you are going to let it dry that way and not move it. And of course, the outcome will vary based on how your curls clump together, but it's going to be the most beautiful version of your hair. If you have low density hair or super fine strands, try using the MoKnowsHair Curl Styling Potion underneath the curl setting gel as your base if the weight of the pudding is too much hold for you. After combing and clumping, and clumping and combing, I am going to use a little bit of the curl setting gel for my edges, and that's it. Literally, I'm done. I am going to air dry for a while and return so you can see how this settles. It's been 3 hours and my hair is still a little damp in some spots, but I'd say it's about 90% dry. As you can see, my curls are defined, shiny, smooth, and still soft to the touch. No crunchy stuff here, honey. To maintain this at night, I'm just going to pineapple it with a scarf and then shake it down in the morning. MoKnowsHair Curl Collection is available exclusively in Sally Beauty stores and at sallybeauty.com. You can find more product info and links to everything used in the About section below this video, or by visiting the new MoKnowsHair.com.